Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series, question number 39. Which country has the world's most powerful passport as per the Henley Passport Index 2023? Options: UK, Japan, India, USA. So let's look into the answer. Japan continues to top the list of the world's most powerful passport for the year 2023, according to the Henley Passport Index Report 2023. Japanese citizens can travel to as many as 193 countries, visa free or visa on arrival access destinations around the world. So Japan is in first place. Uh, let's look who is occupying the second place. The second spot is shared by Singapore and South Korea. And coming to the rank of India, Indian passport ranks 85th in the world's most powerful passport index 2023 and gives visa free entry to 59 destinations. So the first place is occupied by Japan, second place is occupied by Singapore and South Korea, and India's rank is 85, and it gives us visa free entry to 59 destinations. So the right answer for this question is option B, Japan. Here is another question for you. Which state has launched a dedicated platform for investors from the global diaspora to make investments in the state startups? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.